Now, as some of you already know, yesterday I did a video of a probability of us maybe seeing the ES7 during the Shenzhen Auto Show, which is expected to start this coming Saturday until the 5th of June. Well, the new president came out and said that the ES7 launch will be held after the Shanghai lockdown has been lifted, which of course answers the questions that, or the question that we had on yesterday's video, to say that can we really get to see the ES7 being revealed this coming week Saturday? And this article that we just read today then just answers that question of saying that it might be revealed at a later stage. In fact, the article is suggesting that it might be lifted around June, as they believe that June it might be the time that the restrictions or the COVID restrictions in Shanghai can be all lifted off. And of course, Shanghai is not in hard lockdown, as you already know. There have been some movement, or the government has started permitting some movement in the city, but of course by June there are rumors, or from this article we can see that chances are high that we'll see all the COVID restrictions probably being lifted off. And before I forget, you already know that this video is just an entertainment video and you should not take it as a professional financial advice video. Now, I really appreciate if you can just hit that like button if you are enjoying the content that I'm giving you about this unveiling of the new NIO ES7 SUV. Now, before wasting any more time, we read that the president of NIO, of course, responded to these kind of questions on the NIO app, which is something that, of course, it is getting to know that at least there has been some clarity to say that the ES7 will be unveiled after the Shanghai lockdown restrictions are lifted off. It is something that, of course, gives us hope, because we know that this is one of the SUVs that probably will do very well. And you know that, of course, this is a sort of like a mid-range SUV between the NIO ES6 and the NIO ES8. And of course, you know that this is an SUV coming with the latest technology called the NT 2.0 platform, which is the same technology that the ET5 and the ET7 will be using. And of course, we know for sure that this car, it is one of the cars that NIO intend to start delivering this year. I mean, we know that this is a car that NIO might start with the deliveries of it around Q4 of 2022. This is something that, as a NIO retail investor, I'm patiently waiting for, because I know that it is definitely going to boost the deliveries of NIO. NIO is a company that its fundamentals and its future prospects remain to be massive. Its fundamentals and its future prospects are the ones that continue to make me to load the boat onto this stock, because I know that NIO will be a long-term winner, because the kind of moves they are making now will definitely make them to do so. I mean, the production ramp up which is taking place right now in their Jack NIO factory, and also with the new NIO Park coming, it is one of the things that, of course, makes me want to remain bullish onto this NIO stock and continue loading the boat. With the delisting fears also expected to fade away soon, it is one of the things that, of course, are making me, these are the things that makes me to load the boat onto this NIO stock, because one way or the other, this is a stock that is doing really good. And of course, and as I've said, I'm really looking forward to the Q1 of 2022 earnings, which as NIO is set to come and announce on the 9th of June of 2022, which is something that is incredible. And I believe that we will get probably more clarity on the unveiling of this ES7 model on those earnings. I personally believe that NIO will come out and clear out this, of course, the unveiling of the ES7 model, which is something that makes me to really look forward to those earnings. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just thought I should just give you this quick update regarding the unveiling of the NIO ES7 on my yesterday's video, or on the video I released yesterday. I was hoping that probably NIO will unveil the ES7 model during the Shenzhen Auto Show, which, getting to hear that the president came out of NIO yesterday responding to some of the questions which were posed on the NIO app, and said that they plan to unveil it after the COVID lockdown in Shenzhen is lifted, which is something that of course makes us to continue once again looking forward to the day where we'll see NIO showcasing this vehicle on the inside out, which is something that I think as a retail investor or as a new investor, I'm really looking forward to that day. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos, and if you think that this video was amazing, please don't forget to hit that likes button, comment and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. And before you load the bot onto this new stock, please do make sure that you also do your own due diligence so that at least you can be comfortable when you are investing into this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me, and God bless you all.